Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to share your location with Snapchat friends. Sharing your location makes it easy for your friends to connect with you and stay updated on where you are. So, let's get started on how to share your location on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and find the sharing location option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Here, you can see the ghost mode option. Simply tap on the toggle switch right next to it and turn it off. When the ghost mode is turned off, your location will be shared to your Snapchat friends. And this is how you can share your location to Snapchat friends.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.